Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are revising the syllabus, so let us revise fourth lesson, Pinocchio. So this warm-up exercise is not necessary, children. Already you have done. Now let us see in detail the lesson part. So many years ago in Italy lived a poor carpenter called Geppetto. So what happened? In which country? In Italy. Long years ago there lived a poor carpenter. This is the carpenter. And what is his name? His name is Geppetto. Geppetto is a carpenter. He had no wife and no children. He was very lonely. Here lonely is nothing but a lone person. So who is alone? Yes, Geppetto the carpenter is very lonely. So one day he made a toy out of a piece of wood. It looked like a real boy. He called him Pinocchio. So one day what he did, he made a toy out of piece of wood. And it looks like a real boy. So Geppetto called this real boy as Pinocchio. Yes, Pinocchio. And he said that you will be my son. Geppetto said, you will be my son. Then he kissed the wooden boy on the cheek. This Geppetto, he kissed on his cheek. To Geppetto's surprise, the wooden boy blinked his eyes and jumped up. So what happened here? As the carpenter Geppetto kissed him on his cheek, then suddenly this boy winked. He blinked his eyes and jumped up. Then he tapped Geppetto on the nose, jumped down from the table and ran out of the door. Here tapped is nothing but hit gently, making a short noise. So who hit him? Pinocchio hit to Geppetto on his nose and he ran out of the door. Pinocchio, come back, called Geppetto running after him. So suddenly what happened? Pinocchio jumped up and went out of the door. Then Geppetto said to Pinocchio, Pinocchio, come back. And he started running after him. Then suddenly Pinocchio bumped into the policeman. Help! He is chasing me, cried Pinocchio as the policeman caught him. Then Pinocchio suddenly, as he was running, he bumped into, nothing but ran into him because he was not looking, and suddenly he got near the policeman and he started saying, help! He is chasing me. Pinocchio started crying as the policeman caught him. Then policeman let Pinocchio go home, but he took Geppetto to the police station. Then what happened here? The policeman left the Pinocchio to go home. After going home, Pinocchio sat down near the fire. Suddenly, a fairy appeared. She said, listen to your father. He loves you. He will take care of you. And what happened here? As he came from the police station and after reaching home, he sat near the fire and he started thinking. Then suddenly what happened? A fairy came. A fairy. She said to Pinocchio that you have to listen to your father. He loves you and he will take care of you. Who said these words? A fairy said to Pinocchio. Yes, very good. So till here we will stop, children. Go through the reading practice and understand the lesson. Whichever the words are tough, you have to underline and you have to learn that words. Okay? So till then, keep learning, keep watching. Take care. Stay masked. Bye-bye.